Exercise 13.2, question number 3. Let us do the first subdivision. Rahman is making a wheel using spokes. He wants to fix equal spokes in such a way that the angles between any pair of consecutive spokes are equal. Help him by completing the following table. Are the number of spokes and the angles formed between the pairs of consecutive spokes in inverse proportion. So let us see. Given Rahman makes a wheel with spokes fixed as equal angles. We have to find if the number of spokes and the angles between them are in inverse proportion. And also we have to find the missing terms in the table. So first part we will answer, yes, they are in inverse proportion because when the number of spokes increases, angle between them decreases. One quantity increases, the other quantity decreases. So here you can see for 4 spokes, the angle between the pair of consecutive spokes is 90 degree. And for 6 spokes, the angle between pair of consecutive spokes is 60 degree. So as the number of spokes increased, the angle between the pairs of consecutive spokes decreased. This will continue for the remaining also. Since we have found that they are inversely proportional, we can say x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. Therefore, 4 into 90 degree is equal to 6 into 60 degree. And the product is 360 degree. Now, the product is constant. Using this, we have to find the missing terms. 8 into y3, that becomes 8y3. This is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, y3 will be 360 degree divided by 8, which is 45 degree. Same way, 10 into y4, that is 10y4 is equal to 360 degree. From this, y4 is 360 degree divided by 10, which is 36 degree. 12y5 is equal to 360 degree. From this, y5 is 360 degree divided by 12, which gives you 30 degree. So, since we have found all the missing terms, let us rewrite the table. The table can be rewritten as number of spokes and angle between pair of consecutive spokes. When there are 4 spokes, the angle is 90 degree. When there are 6 spokes, the angle is 60 degree. When there are 8 spokes, the angle becomes 45 degree. When there are 10 spokes, the angle becomes 36 degree. When there are 12 spokes, the angle becomes 30 degree. So as the number of spokes increases, the angle between pair of consecutive spokes decreases.